Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud helps companies manage their customer relationships using the world's leading digital platform. The new sales agreement object gives account managers a consolidated view of their customers' ongoing agreements and how they're performing against expectations. Reps can track revenue and quantity metrics across past, current, and future schedules, broken down by product and time period. Immediate visibility into the health of customer agreements enables account managers to update forecasts for customers who are ahead of schedule and check in with those who are falling behind. You can also roll up sales agreement and opportunity data already within Salesforce, and using the pre-built integration templates, even access your ERP. Then use account-based forecasting to provide internal stakeholders with a central platform on which to collaborate. Easily develop revenue and volume forecasts for a complete view of both your run rate business, managed by sales agreements, and your new business, managed by opportunities. Sales, finance, operations, and product teams all collaborate on a central platform to develop more accurate forecasts and break down the silos of forecast creation. Account managers can provide inputs on customer and market growth, giving you the power to adjust based on early signals from account teams on changing customer and market demand. With Manufacturing Cloud and Einstein Analytics, no longer do your data and business insights live in siloed, hard-to-access systems. Manufacturers can now monitor the performance of forecasts, pricing, and delivery in the context of the overall Customer 360 and respond to customer changes faster and with greater precision. Because the status of your sales agreements, forecast performance, and customer interactions are used to predict the health of customer relationships and to direct behavior based on data insights, we've integrated insights directly into the business processes of your account teams. Finally, all this amazing capability is built on the Einstein Analytics platform, making insights flexible and adaptable so you can rapidly tailor your responses to the changing needs of your customers in an unpredictable world. Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud helps deepen your customer relationships and make it easier to do business together.